Morning, team. I'm Technickel, your AI Supervisor. Welcome to the floor. The old way, epic factories, kilometers in size, ancient history. We're done with vertical monoliths. Today it's all about scaling horizontally. This is the era of micro manufacturing. Think small modular reactors. They proved you don't need a massive plant to generate massive power. We're doing the same, but instead of powering the grid, we're powering the future of manufacturing. Managing 1,000 microfactories sounds like a headache, right? That's why I hired the best in business. Meet the crew. It's Gemini 3. Using the Model Context Protocol, or MCP, Gemini isn't just a chatbot. MCP is the universal standard that connects AI models to external systems. It turns my independent devices into standardized tools and resources that the model can actually use. And using MCP Apps, aka MCP UI, we can visualize it all, replacing clunky traditional machine-to-human interfaces. This allows Gemini to take on the role of Manufacturing Operations Manager, or MOM, and honestly, MOM knows best. Welcome to the era of generative manufacturing. It's a new frontier where generative AI reasons about the physical world, adapting to complexity and solving problems in real time. In this business, speed is survival. We just got a signal. The market needs a new fluid management solution. Old way, months of R&D and tooling. New way, I just tell Gemini what the market wants. High flow funnel. Boom. Product design, validated, and printing before I even finish my company mandated break. And I take those very seriously. This isn't just prototyping, it's instant production. But building's only half the job. Sometimes I just need to run a spot check. But usually, I have Gemini monitor the entire fleet 24/7. Now bandwidth ain't free, and I'm on a budget. We can't stream 4K video from every node in the network. That's where Quick Print Check comes in. We configure Gemini 3's media resolution to use low-res snapshots for these checks. It allows us to run true lights-out manufacturing monitoring autonomously while we sleep. My boss loves the efficiency. Looks like Gemini's found a problem on our printer. Seeing that red light used to mean reaching for the emergency stop. Today it's handled before I can even reach the machine. I don't run to the printer, I don't even get up. Gemini's already identified the issue and is diving into it with Deep Print Check. Gemini 3 uses its ability to crank up the thinking level to high. It's not just seeing a mess, it's being a forensic scientist. It gives me the full report, having already taken action. We even have the option for a human in the loop and providing them with SOPs. Unfortunately, this spaghetti needs a little bit of cleanup, but it's a disaster averted thanks to Gemini. The math is simple. By building locally, we slash transportation costs and our carbon footprint. That's generative manufacturing. My shift's over. Time for you to clock in. Good luck!